deep, earthy purple of a beetroot tells a story about what is happening inside the soil. It is a dense, nutrient-packed root that has become the latest obsession in the world of high-performance health. Some brands are now taking this humble vegetable and concentrating it into a potent capsule form. Velora is one of those names popping up everywhere lately. They are positioning their 1300 milligram formula as a game changer for circulation and heart health. What makes their approach stand out is how they target their message. They're speaking directly to Black adults about blood pressure and daily energy. They claim their organic formula can wash away brain fog. They say it can end the cycle of midday fatigue once and for all. It is a bold pitch for a simple root. The logic behind it relies on something called dietary nitrates. These are the compounds found naturally in beets. Once you swallow them, your body goes to work. It converts those nitrates into nitric oxide. This is a molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax. It tells them to open up. This process is supposed to make blood flow much more efficiently throughout your entire system. Athletes have been using this trick for years. They want that extra boost during a workout. They want to recover faster without relying on synthetic stimulants. But we have to look at the fine print on the marketing page. The brand claims there are absolutely no side effects. They say there are no trade-offs to taking this supplement daily. That kind of language should always make you a little bit skeptical. If a substance is powerful enough to shift your blood pressure, it is powerful enough to have an impact on your system. This is a major concern for anyone already taking medication. You cannot just assume a natural supplement is a safe replacement for a prescription. The science of beetroot is solid in general. There are plenty of studies showing its benefits for the cardiovascular system. However, that does not mean every specific product will deliver the same results for every person. You need to look at the supplement facts. You need to ask yourself if the concentration is right for your body. The marketing makes it sound like a miracle fix. They promise steady energy and a natural way to bring those numbers down. But a supplement is not a regulated medicine. It does not face the same hurdles before it hits the market. You have to be the one to verify the claims. Is this product actually going to give you that athletic edge? Or is it just another way to sell a common vegetable at a premium price? It is great to see more options for natural health. It is even better to see products focused on communities that often get overlooked. But health is personal and complex. You want the benefits of the nitrates. You want that clear-headed feeling. Just make sure you are not buying into a polished narrative without checking the evidence first. Your heart deserves more than just a slick sales pitch and a bottle of purple powder. Every step you take toward better health should be based on facts rather than just a feeling or a flashy advertisement. Take the time to talk to a professional before you add a new capsule to your morning routine.